Hey there. If you've been seeing all those headlines about skyrocketing home prices and rising mortgage rates, you might be wondering if it's still a good idea to invest in owning a home right now. Well, according to a recent poll by Gallup, the answer is a resounding yes. Believe it or not, real estate has been voted as the best long-term investment for a whopping 11 years in a row. It consistently beats out other investment options like gold, stocks, and bonds. So, why do Americans still feel so positive about investing in a home? Well, buying real estate has traditionally been a smart strategy for building wealth in the good old US of A. As Lawrence Yun, the chief economist at the National Association of Realtors, puts it, homeownership is a catalyst for building wealth for people from all walks of life. It's like having a monthly mortgage payment that acts as a forced savings account, helping homeowners build a net worth that's about 40 times higher than that of renters. Pretty impressive, right? You see, when you own a home, its value appreciates over time, and as you make mortgage payments, you're steadily paying down your loan. That means your net worth grows steadily too. And since building wealth takes time, it's a good idea to get started as early as possible. If you keep renting instead of buying, you'll miss out on those monthly housing payments that could be building up your home equity. So, here's the bottom line. Buying a home is a game-changing decision. That's why so many folks see real estate as the ultimate long-term investment. If you're ready to embark on your own homeownership journey, let's connect today and make it happen.